Ever wonder why some websites load instantly while others feel like they're stuck in buffering hell? The difference often comes down to three letters: CDN, ACDN, or Content Delivery Network. Is basically a global network of servers designed to deliver web content to you faster. Instead of your browser reaching across the planet to grab data from a single server, it connects to a nearby server that already has a copy ready. Think of it like having Starbucks locations everywhere instead of forcing everyone to fly to Seattle for their coffee. It just makes sense. The whole thing started back in the late 90s when the internet was young and websites were simple. Early CDNs mainly helped deliver basic HTML pages faster, but the internet's changed a lot since then, and so have CDNs. Today, they're handling everything from high-res images and streaming video to entire web applications. So, how does it actually work? When you visit a website that uses a CDN, your request doesn't go straight to the company's main server, called the origin server. Instead, it gets routed to the nearest CDN server, which could be in your city or at least your region. These servers are located at what's called a point of presence, or POP. Inside each POP, you'll find edge servers. That's the tech industry's way of saying servers physically close to users. Most CDNs use one of two methods to direct your traffic. The first is DNS-based routing, where each POP has its own IP address and the system automatically points you to the closest one. The second is Anycast, which is a bit more elegant. With Anycast, all the POPs share the same IP address, and the internet's routing systems automatically send your request to whichever one is closest. Pretty clever, right? Once your request hits an edge server, that server acts like a reverse proxy with a massive content cache. If the content you're asking for, like an image, JavaScript file, or style sheet, is already stored there, it sends it right back to you. Fast, simple, done. If it's not cached yet, the edge server fetches it from the origin server, sends you a copy, and stores one for the next person who asks. This drastically cuts down on the load the origin server has to handle. Modern CDNs do more than just store copies of files. They can optimize content on the fly. For example, they might compress JavaScript bundles, convert images to newer formats like WebP or AVIF, or strip unnecessary code. All of this happens automatically, making your browsing experience smoother without the website owner lifting a finger. Another major role CDNs play is in handling encrypted connections. Every time you visit a secure website, one with HTTPS, your browser has to do what's called a TLS handshake. That's basically a quick negotiation to set up a secure connection, and it can take several network round trips. If the server's far away, those round trips add up. CDNs solve this by terminating the TLS connection at the edge server. Since the edge is close to you, the handshake happens way faster. Beyond speed, CDNs bring serious security benefits. When a website gets hit with a DDoS attack, where attackers flood it with fake traffic to knock it offline, a CDN's distributed network can absorb the hit. Instead of all that malicious traffic hitting one server, it spreads across hundreds of edge servers, making it way harder to take the site down. They'll also improve reliability. If one server or even one entire data center goes offline, the CDN just reroutes traffic to another location. Your experience stays smooth, and you probably won't even notice the problem. Here's the thing. Most websites today, whether they're blogs, online stores, or streaming platforms, should be using a CDN. The benefits are too big to ignore. Faster load times mean happier users, better search rankings, and higher engagement. Security and reliability are basically built in. It's not just for tech giants anymore. Plenty of CDN providers offer free or affordable plans that work for smaller sites too. If you've ever noticed your favorite site loading faster than usual or staying online during heavy traffic, there's a good chance a CDN is working behind the scenes. It's one of those technologies that quietly makes the internet better for everyone. Now you know what a CDN is, how it works, and why it matters. Whether you're building your own website or just curious about how the internet runs, understanding CDNs gives you a better picture of what's really happening every time you click a link.